Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa and today I will be showing you how I got this Halloween inspired Joker makeup look, and if you want to see all the details and all the products that I use to get this look, then make sure you keep on watching. What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another Halloween makeup look, and today we're going to be doing the Joker Halloween makeup tutorial. And what I'm starting off with is I did apply my wig. I did apply a frontal to my head, and then I did do my brows off camera. And what I used to do my brows is I used eyeshadow to do my brows to get that green color, and I used my regular makeup eyebrow routine for the eyebrows. So I did wash and prime my face before, and now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to be covering my whole face with that. And I'm going to be blending it in with my beauty blender, just patting it all in. Make sure you blend the product in. So the next thing I'm going to be going in is I'm going to be using my LA Pro concealer, and this is the Warm Honey, and I'm going to be using that concealer to highlight my face, just under my eyes and under my chin. And I didn't want to apply any of the highlight to my forehead because I am going to be drawing a tattoo on a little bit later on in the video, so I didn't want too much powder to be up there. So that's why I just applied it to under my eyes and my chin area. And I'm going to be taking that same beauty blender and I'm going to be blending in my concealer underneath my eyes and my chin area. I did use a lighter shade because, like I said, I want to be highlighting. So this is not my skin tone. It's about 2 shades to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. So I just wanted to brighten that under eye and that chin area. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going in with my powder, and I'm going to be going over where I highlighted with the concealer, and I'm going to be applying that underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to be applying that to my chin area. And after that, I did go in and apply my powder to the rest of my face as well. So I'm not going to be setting, I'm not going to be baking. I'm just going to be applying this product. I'm not going to let it sit. I'm just going to apply it as I usually do with my regular makeup routine. So now I'm going in with my purple eyeshadow, and I am using my Morphe makeup palette, my eyeshadow palette. So there is about 2 to 3 purple eyeshadows in this palette, and I'm going to be using all 3 of the colors for this eyeshadow makeup look. So I'm going to be starting off with the lighter shade of purple, and I'm going to be blending that in, and this is going to be my transition shade. As you can see, this is really light color. It's not that noticeable, but when I do the smoky eye, it would make everything blend together rather than everything being so dark and have no type of shape or anything like that. So I'm going in with that same bright purple, and I'm just using this as my transition shade, and I'm going to be applying that to my eye. And I'm just making sure I blend this in well, so that's what I'm doing here. So now I'm going to be taking the darkest purple in this makeup palette, and I'm going to be applying that to my eyelids. when I'm applying my eyeshadow, I do like to move kind of slow because I don't want any fallout onto my makeup, because I did do my makeup before, so I don't want any fallout onto my makeup and it stains my makeup and I have to maybe do my makeup over or just touch up any places. So I'm just moving slow to make sure that no product falls from my eyeshadow onto my face. So again, I'm going to be applying that darkest shade of purple onto my eyelids, and I'm going to be just building up that color. And then now, as you see, I'm going to be blending those two colors together that I applied on my lids. And I'm going to be creating my smoky eye here. As you can see, it's turning into a really nice blend and the colors are mixing well together. So after I did go in and finish my eyeshadow, I am going to be going over my eyebrows because I wanted my eyebrows to stand out a lot more. I want it to be a really bright green, kind of like a lime green. So what I did was I took my eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be going over the brows that I drew with the eyebrow pencil. I'm not going to conceal again. I'm just going to go over the eyebrows with this brighter green. It's like a lime green color, just so the eyebrows can pop more and make the look stand out more. And I'm really glad that I did this because it really made a difference in the brows when I applied this eyebrow pencil on top. So I'm just making sure all of my eyebrow hairs are covered, so that's why I keep going over to cover up my eyebrows with that lime green shade. That came out really good. I really liked it. So then the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my red eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be drawing a line through my eyebrow, down through the eye, into the under eye, to make like a slit through my eye, to mimic a slit through my eye. So I'm just going to be making my shape with this eyebrow pencil. You don't have to go through your eyebrow if you don't want to. I didn't want to mess up my eyebrow, so I just did it underneath my eyebrow and then underneath my eyes as well. Again, you're just creating that shape with this, so it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're going to go back and clean it up a little bit later and smudge it out to make it messy. You don't want it in too uniform or too perfect. So now I am going over with my liquid lipstick, and this is the color red, and I'm going to be going over that line that I drew with my eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to be applying this shade over to make this cut really stand out and make it look like a fresh cut, to mimic like blood, fresh cut. So I'm just going to be brightening it up with this red shade. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my black eyeliner and I'm going to be creating my tattoos with the eyeliner. So I'm going to start off with making a J under the eye over here on this side. I did have a reference photo in front of me, as I always do, so I keep looking down at that. And then for my forehead area, Joker does have a tattoo on his forehead that says damage, and I tried my best to write damage on my forehead, but it was really hard because I'm looking in the mirror, and when you're looking in the mirror you're writing backwards. So I was trying to make it neat as possible, but it doesn't really matter how neat or how messy you do it, because this is not a regular makeup look, it's a Halloween makeup look, so just have fun with it. And as you can see, the black liquid liner is not that dark, but I didn't even go over it a second time to make it stand out. I just left it as is as I was finished writing the word damage on my forehead. I didn't want it to be perfect, but I was trying to at least make it like a straight line, but it's okay. It's Halloween. Just have fun with it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going in with my red liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be I'm going to be going in with my red eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to be outlining my lips, and I'm going to be creating that big giant smile that Joker has, extended, and I'm going to be using this red brow pencil to create that shape. So I'm going over my regular lip shape, and then I'm going to extend the corners to widen that shape. You can make this as wide or as thick as you want to. I didn't want mine too wide. I wanted to mimic a real smile. Otherwise, because Joker has, it looks like just a messy line on his face. But I want it to be a little bit more uniform for my lips and make it look like my lips are real but just extended. So I am going to go over the top with my liquid lipstick and apply that to all of my lips. And then, as like I said before, we extended that line on the side to create a bigger, wider smile. So I'm going to be applying that liquid lipstick also to the corners of my mouth where I extended that smile. And just filling that lip in with this same red shade. Make sure you blot your lips too. I really enjoy creating this look. And if you got this far watching this video, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying these makeup looks, and I do have more coming very soon. Posting very soon. If you guys have any more ideas or makeup looks you want me to recreate, leave it down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to recreate these looks. We have a couple of more days or a week or so to Halloween, so I just want to create more and more looks for you guys on here on my channel. And don't forget to check out some other Halloween makeup looks and regular makeup tutorials that I have on my channel. Check out some other videos that I have posted and let me know what you guys think. See, I'm extending that line, and it's really making it stand out when I put that on there. I wanted to make it kind of straight, so that's why I'm taking my time. So next we're going to be moving out for the hair, and I'm going to be using this edge control, and this is a tinted hair wax, and it's in the color green. And I'm going to be applying that to my hair with a edge brush. At first I started to apply this green hair wax to my hair with my fingertips, but it was just too messy, so that's why I just grabbed the edge brush, and I'm just kind of just combing that green product through to get that color onto my hair. And my head, I did apply a frontal. This is about a 12-inch frontal, and I just applied some hairspray, some got-to-be hairspray. I brushed my hair back and combed it back into a ponytail in the back, and Now I'm going to be applying my lip gloss on top of this look, extending it to the corners. I really did like how the hair came out too in this look. I had it out, but I did wind up putting it in a ponytail because I thought that it looks better in a ponytail. So here is the finished product, and I'm going to show you a video clip of my look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And you can connect with me on my other social media platforms. I hope to see you guys tuning into another video. Bye.